Hey, Bill DeBoer over here at DeBoer's Auto. I just wanted to make a quick video for everybody today and help you understand how you can make car repair suck less. So with making car repair suck less, it just takes a little bit of planning and staying vigilant on your maintenance services. If you stay up to date on all your maintenances, it's very easy to assure that you won't break down with those drama-filled car won't start, tires flat kind of a deal, or your brakes are grinding. If you keep up on your maintenance and the vehicle is looked at on a regular basis and you're hitting those maintenance items consistently when they're due, you won't have those critical breakdowns happen. One of the other things that you could do to make car repair suck less is to work with a shop that has a good long warranty. So our warranty at our shop is good nationwide at 10,000 locations that we partner with, and it's good for 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. So when you do have a repair done at a shop, you want to make sure that you're good and covered for a long time period so that you don't have to worry about that repair having to be repeated. The other thing you can do is you can insure against major failures. So like the transmission failing or a power steering rack failing, those major items that cost a lot of money. And the way that you can do that is you can use these chemical products out there that come with warranties. So at our store we use the Valvoline VPS line, and depending on when you start your maintenance services on those items, you can insure against replacing those for a long time. So for example, if you do your automatic transmission flush before 50,000 miles and you stay on the schedule that they have dictated out, they will pay you up to $4,000 should that transmission ever need replaced. The last thing that you can do to ensure that you don't have to deal with sucky car repair is to have an annual assessment done by an ASE certified mechanic. Along with all the airplanes out there, they have to have this annual assessment done. That's why the airplane fleet can stay so safe and fly consistently day in and day out and not have any issues. You should do the same thing with your car. We perform that service every year for people on their cars, and it's a way to get a total feel of where the car is at and what needs to be done to keep it from breaking down and keep it rolling. So head on over to www.deboersauto.com for more information.